dear B.Arch aspirants, as I know every year there are lots of B.Arch aspirants who wait for just these two exams, NATA and JEE Mains B.Arch paper 2. So this year also we are here to guide you regarding the exam strategy so that you can prepare for the upcoming examinations. JBR, which will be held in the upcoming month of April, and NATA, which will be held in the month of June. I am speaking about the first attempt for both the examinations. Today we are here to guide you regarding both, how you should be preparing, what should be your exam strategy, how should you plan for both the exams. Because right now I know many students, they are having their pre-boards going on, your finals are going to come in the upcoming month. So in this current scenario, how you should be preparing, what should be your strategy, how should you divide your time equally among all the things in a well-balanced manner so that in the very first attempt you can really have a good score. And right after that we have the second attempt, as we all know, that is for your improvement, and we will make sure that you score really good for these exams so that you can get into the best architecture college in India. Now, coming back on board to both these examinations, we have JBR and NATA 2022. Today, first I will be speaking regarding JBR. Now, the reason behind that is JBR is approximately going to be held within the next 20 days. I am telling you time of preparation because exam date is 16th of April. So, first attempt is on 16th of April. Now, why I am telling approximately 20 days? Because students will be seeing this video within the upcoming 2-3 days. Today someone is seeing, next 2-3 days someone is seeing. So it should be same for all. The strategy should remain same for all. And how we are going to prepare, today we will discuss regarding that. So first we will be discussing regarding this, which is in the upcoming month of 16th of April, and next about the NATA examination, which is on 12th of June. Now, I must mention these are for the first attempt preparation. I am writing here down. So these are for the first attempt preparation, how you should be going, how I will be guiding you for the upcoming days, and then how you should be giving your examination. Firstly, in short, I will just tell you regarding what is the exam pattern of JBR. Like what is the question pattern, what kind of questions you get and the stuff. So JBR, what we see is that we have 3 sections, A, B and C. When we divide these 3 sections, section A we get 25 maths, so it's of maths. Let me write down that first. This is of aptitude and this is of drawing. Now, maths we have 25 questions in total. So I write here T 25. For this it's 50 and drawing it's 2. Out of 25 questions, 20 MCQ. Out of rest 5 is integer type. Now difference MCQ you have 4 options, and in integer type you don't have any options. You will have to calculate and write down the answer. You will get a blank like this. Aptitude, all are MCQs. And drawing, you have one question, question number 1, where you don't have any option. It is based on the aesthetics value. And question number 2, it's based on real life. Now this real life one, you have 3 options, 1, 2, 3. 3 options will be there, out of which you need to select one. So you can select one option and attempt that. This is the exam pattern, how it's going to be. And the marking scheme. Marking scheme is, if you do a correct answer, you get +4. If you do a wrong answer, okay, I will not write it down here, it will not be visible to all of you. So marking scheme, I will be discussing on this side of the book. Let me take the reference. Okay. So, you know, marking scheme. You do a, you get +4, wrong, it's -1, and you do not attempt. So you have a last option called not attempt. You get 0. So for suppose out of all this, now for drawing, most importantly, you might have a question. What about drawing? Because there is no MCQ questions. Drawing, there is nothing like that. No MCQ or nothing. It is based on the examiner. They will review your work. They will review your work and they will give you a score. Okay. For these two, section B and A, we will follow this pattern, and that's the reason why you, after you're out, you get the answer sheet of section A and B, from where you can calculate your marks, what you are getting in both these two sections. That's how it's done. I hope this is clear to everyone. Go to the next part. I am wrapping this up as of now, 12th June. Okay. Now we will move on that how you should be preparing for the upcoming days. What should be the exam strategy? Let us speak regarding that. So we have seen what are the sections that we have. Now most importantly, what I have seen in these years is that students really have problems in two areas. One is your aptitude section and mathematics combined, of both, where you need a lot of practice for the type of questions that come. Now mathematics, I really cannot help you out with telling that okay, this is the exact pattern of question, this way this will be the answer. Not possible. You need to practice lots of questions, question paper. So mathematics, today I will make sure anyone watching the video, today by 9:30 a video will be uploaded, 9 or 9:30, regarding your maths class. Make sure everyone watch the video. In the upcoming days I will upload a number of sessions regarding your drawing, your aptitude of JEE and your mathematics classes. Do not miss any of the classes. Watch it on YouTube, on my channel. You are getting it for free. And also don't forget to go to the description box and fill the Google form and get connected with me. I will make sure that you get a 1 week free, absolutely free class. Post that you can decide that whether or not to join our institution for the preparation of your examination. And we will make sure you score really good in your exam. Don't forget to go to the description box and fill the Google form and check out all the latest videos regarding the class lessons. Okay? So regarding maths, we will be having those 25 questions for which you need to clear basics. I always tell this, clear the basics, because once you clear the basics, lots of questions, it's not like your engineering exam. I will tell, I really comply with that okay, type of questions is same. But once you clear the basics, I feel for architecture it becomes easy. If not out of this 25, every 25 questions you will not be able to attempt, but at least 10 questions you will be able to attempt. You attempt 10, I am just giving you the formula, how you can score good and what kind of, how you can get a good college. You attempt 10 questions in mathematics. Aptitude must be very clear. Similar kind of questions are there like every year, and the maximum number of questions what they ask you, I will just show you. For example, you have a figure like this. Just for example, take this as a figure. They will give you an arrow like this and tell you find the top view or find the view from this angle. Or you have a figure like this, complex one. Okay, this is your figure, question figure. Now they will have 4 options, A, B, C and D. They will tell this is the top view of the figure. Assume the correct figure out of this, which one? You need to find out. Lot of questions are of the same type, exact same type. Something or the other is reversed. So this aptitude part in JEE really becomes easy. You believe me or not, it is really one of the easiest part. And out of this 50 questions, for my students, I just want you have to attempt 50 because there is no other option. You attempt 50 questions. Attempt 50 questions, what I am telling. Okay, you attempt 50 questions. Now I'll just tell you how it goes. You attempt 10 questions, be sure about those 10. If you are not sure, don't attempt a maths question. You make sure, if you are only sure, you attempt. You have attempted 10, you get 40 out from here. Aptitude part, you attempted 50, I am assuming you will do 5 wrong. Okay? And 45 answers correct. It should be. That's how it should be. Otherwise, you will not be able to get a good score. So you are scoring 45 into 4. What's the answer? It's 160 and 20. So 180 you are getting and minus 5 for the 5 wrong answers. You are scoring 175 over here. You have scored 40 plus 175. What's the the final answer, marks which will be coming out is 215. Total marks is 400. Part A and B, section A and B, you have scored 215. Drawing is a very crucial part. You need to be clear about that. 2 questions, 50, 50, 100 marks are there. Now out of 100, you'll have to make sure at least you score 75 to 80. You should be sure enough about that. Once you score 80, you add it on. It becomes 295 out of 400. So when you score 295, you can note it down. Your All India JEE rank will be within the top. Okay, so there are no more new comments as I can see. Fine. I hope some of you will watch it and you will get some really good help out of it. Now this is what the exact thing looks like, what we are getting out of it. That's it. Finally, out from all this whatever we have discussed till now, this is the way your JEE exam preparation will be there. Your exact strategy for your exam preparation is going to go like this. I hope it's clear to all. So your first attempt till 16th of April, we will be covering up your maths, your aptitude and your drawing part. And with our faculties, we will make sure that you score really good. So what you will have to do to get in touch with us and to get this preparation done for your first attempt of JEE, and make sure we will charge you a very minimum cost once you are joining the course. That will be one of the most minimum costs you have ever seen, because less number of days are left, we know it very well. For your first attempt you are coming, the cost will be exactly minimum, just so that you can come, you prepare and give your best for the exam. You need to go to description box, check for the Google form and fill it out. We will reach you. Okay, that's all guys for your JEE preparation. Now coming back to the NATA preparation, how it's going to go. Just give me a second. Okay, now coming back to your NATA preparation, how it is going to go, what should be the exam strategy for your NATA preparation, what should you be doing exactly. Okay, we will check it out. So where is the NATA exam first importantly? First attempt is on 12th of June. Now till 12th of June, we have a lot of time from now on to prepare. So let's now, if you are giving JEE, very first important point is don't go on a bilateral focusing. Focus on JEE only. If you are giving JEE and NATA both. So focus on JEE. If you are giving JEE. Or else if you are not and you are attempting 12th, then focus on your boards. Yeah, definitely attend these classes, you will get some help, but focus on your boards much more. If you are not falling in any of the categories, then your only focus is NATA. So we have different categories, like how you should be going about it. Once you are done with this part, what we have seen, your next step will be moving towards after JEE. How much time we have? Around 1 month 20 days. So after JEE, time left is 1 month 20 days. So if you want to prepare for this time, it's enough for NATA. If you have not prepared throughout the year also. What are the sections? A and B. Now NATA changes its pattern every year. Registration started or not? No, registrations have not started till now. Once it starts, you will get the update very first on my channel. For B, 2020, when they first instituted the CBT mode, fully computerized based test, B was having your PTQ type questions, which were a supplementary type for the drawing, where you will need to learn the theory of drawing, your design principles and stuff. Afterwards, they removed this PTQ from here, last year of 2021. And what they have done is now, everything they have combined in A. For last year I am telling. So A is having, what A is having, let us discuss. Section A. Let's go into that detailing of section A. So NATA ka section A. Section A. As far as 2021, it had all our MCQ questions. First of all, MCQ, okay, MCQ, and also for some questions like those design principle questions, you have PQ, so preferential choice type, wherein you will have to choose multiple choices. I will tell, nothing else. Now, what you will have to do over here is nothing but you had PCM, they tell physics, chemistry, maths का question आएगा, but never, chemistry is never there, none of the years. So you better prepare for, and we will also focus for P and M, physics and maths, for about which how many questions you are supposed to get? Around 20 plus 20, around almost 40 questions, 40 to 45 questions for P and M. After that, aptitude for architecture. You have design principles question. You have questions related to analytical reasoning, questions related to logical reasoning. So everything is like this, inclusive of aptitude, they tell. So whole this thing last year, what they considered is around, out of this 200 marks, it was having, I guess, your 170. Yeah, 170 was the score. And the remaining 30 marks, they denoted it to section B, which was having 5 questions. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4 and question 5. What these 5 questions have? You clicked on section B, entered, an image is given to you, a composition, child playing, here is a park setting and lots of other ... For 30 seconds, this image is visible to you. After 30 seconds, now for this attempt, you will not be able to see this question. It's gone. You will be given 2 questions, A and B. Based on this composition, what you have seen, it tests your memory skill, how much you observe in a certain amount of time. And in both these questions, what you get? Some questions related to this composition, which you will have to remember and answer. For example, they will ask you how many children were playing, what kind of the person sitting on the bench using an electronic device, what was the color of his shirt? You need to name that. 4 options will be there, similar kind of thing. Now, one more important thing is students ask, NATA has negative marking, yes or no? NATA, negative marking, yes or no? So I will tell here, NATA has no negative marking. So what should I tell? NATA has negative marking? No. NATA has no negative marking. Yes is cancelled. This is what should I tell, I guess. The NATA has no negative marking. Everything is positive. So attempt every question. If you know, don't know, whatever it is, attempt all the questions. This is okay. This is all about section B, and this is how it goes. So you have just time limit for these pictures to see, that is 30 seconds. Other than that, whole question papers is yours. Both the exams you have 3 hours duration of time. Now you will have to attempt it according to your way how you wanna prepare for that. So that's it for the day, guys. Your exam preparations we have discussed, your exam strategy. Hope to see you all at our place. Hope to see you all at our institute so that you can prepare well, give the best. We will make sure that we provide you the best course at the minimum cost. If anyone is having any financial issues, please let us know. We will make sure that we help you. We will not discriminate you because of that. And for that, you will have to go to the description box and fill the Google form. So see you all in our classes. That's all for the day, guys. Thanks a lot. Hope you will all prepare for both the exams well and good and give your best for the exams and get the best architecture college in India. That's all for the day, guys. Thanks a lot. See you all in the upcoming session. And don't forget to don't miss the upcoming lectures on my YouTube channel for the preparation of your JEE exam and after that your NATA exam as well. Thanks a lot, guys. That's all for the day. Bye.